Alright, good evening, Wednesday. About to take the white Trueno up to Car Factory Eye. They're going to take off the throttles and put it back to stock inlet, stock injectors, stock ECU, because it runs so horribly. So I should get that back next week, running and driving well. I bought some meshes for it, 14 6.5 B-type front, A-type rear, and some 185/55. So give the car a cut and a polish, bring the paint up all shiny, lower it down a little bit. Should be looking heaps better. And then she'll be listed for sale. Once that car's done, I'm going to swap it with the black one. Just going to pull the diff apart to see what's broken. I've got a spare pair of axles if it's just an axle. If not, replace the crown wheel and pinion. Another 4.5. Yeah, just lack of mental space, lack of time, makes it hard to get stuff done myself. But yeah, about to get on the road, pick it up again soon. Now. I pulled the silencer out the other day. It sounds better, but it's fucking loud. Darker with headlights behind me, you can see the fuel coming out when I accelerate. Quite a bit. Not good. Alright, we're here. Yeah, I spoke to Isa when I was on the way up. She had to duck out tonight, so just dropping the car off now. But like I said before, once this car's done, I'll bring the black car up. So I'll do some more filming then. I'm a few weeks ahead on videos now, so. Alright, another day. White 86 is done, so I'm taking the black Trueno up to Car Factory Eye and bringing the white two-door home. I booked into Champions Cup today, paid the entry, so plan is probably go to Bihoku. Champions Cup's on Saturday the 4th, so I'll probably go to Bihoku Friday the 3rd, because I haven't driven there since November 2020, so I need to spend some time practicing the entry and the line. But yeah, gonna get on the road now, head up to Car Factory Eye. Alright, just picked the Trueno up from Car Factory Eye. They pulled off the total throttles, put it all back to stock. It's got an AE92 Colkey head, so I bought an adapter plate from Impulse, and then yeah, stock 86 inlay manifold, injectors, fuel rail, just put it all back to stock. Pulled off the oil cooler as well, because don't really need that. And then put back to stock ECU. The whole time I've had the car, just run really badly and not that enjoyable to drive. But yeah, it drives like a dream now. Like, it was a good car before, but it's so good now. Once it's low on the meshes, it should be bloody perfect. But yeah, it's a bit of a shame because it's run out of chuck-in now and I can't drive it. I'll take it for a few small drives, but yeah, I can't drive it every day, so I won't get to enjoy the new niceness of it. But yeah, pretty happy with it. Just on the way home now. I'm gonna head down this weekend, put the tyres on the mesh, get them fitted, get the car cut and polished, and lower it a bit all round. Yeah, it should look bloody good. Alright, there's the finished product. Lowered it quite a bit. New meshes on, got 10mm spacer front, 8mm spacer rear. She's been cut and polished. Thanks Killian. Looking very, very nice. Looking hard to sell, to be honest. Yeah. What a difference, eh? So cool now compared to when it first turned up. Alright, just finishing up the last couple of things on the two-door. Air filter and also oil change because it was running so rich. The oil was pretty black. It's got some nice walk-offs to go in. But yeah, really nice day today. Take it out, go for a bit of a last drive, get some cool photos around the place. And yeah, list her up on Yahoo tonight. Alright, yeah, last day, last drive with a two-door. Fucking good, eh? It drives so well now. Such a pleasure to drive. Beautiful weather, cruising around, AC on, got power steering, I can live in the dream. Looks really good now, low on the mesh, drives beautifully. Really, really good. Yeah, we're just cruising around, we're about 10 minutes away from a machine shop. So I'm just gonna swing by and say hello. He hasn't seen the car since it's been low. They're looking good, so swing by and say hello. So yeah, keep driving around a bit. Nice day. Oh, minis.